Welcome to Class Catalyst, your light-touch SEL solution that lets you know your students better. If you use Google Classroom, this video will walk you through how to log in and sync your class. To get started, go to classcatalyst.app and click Sign In with Google to log in. Once you've signed in, click Menu. Then click Settings. Scroll down to the red Sync with Google Classroom button. Click the button and you'll be prompted to select your Google account and the classes that you want to sync. Make sure that you only select the classes that will be using Class Catalyst with you. The sync should take about a minute, and sometimes refreshing your browser helps. After syncing, you will see your class name appear on the settings page listed under Classes. The last thing you need to do is set the grade level by clicking the Edit button next to your class name. Here you can make any changes that you need to your class name, grade level, or check-in flow. Setting your grade level ensures your students are getting grade-appropriate content. To make sure all of your students have been added, click on Menu and then Student Details to see your student roster. If your roster changes throughout the school year, you can resync your Google Classroom at any time. Make sure your Google Classroom is set up first before you resync, and then remember to set your grade level. Now you're ready for your students to check in.